I'm Anthony Nicewonder. I'm the founder of APT Manufacturing. We have a full automation house that is all FANUC robotics. In 2014-15, APT was growing so fast, so we partnered with our local high schools and we started our own high school training program.
Came here on a tour for a high school program, and when I came here it was very interesting looking at everything here. I went to UNOH, University of Northwestern Ohio, and I studied robotics engineering.
We put them through a state-certified apprenticeship program. If they're on the robotics side, part of that is going to FANUC for training. At the same time, they're going to our community college or a technical school through their apprenticeship program.
I also got certified in FANUC robots and handling tool. I did a lot of tearing down and repairs of FANUC robots. That was like my first year of college, and AC/DC motors and pneumatics, hydraulics, everything to get me prepared for industry here at APT.
When they get to APT, they're exposed to all the manufacturing, all the robots, all the high tech. And after a while of watching that, they're saying, I understand that, I can do that.
I'm Caleb Bagley. I'm an apprentice controls electrician at APT Manufacturing Solutions.
Caleb came into our high school program as a junior and went through the program for 2 years.
The work that I've been doing with the robots is wiring them up and putting all of the end-of-arm tooling and stuff like that on them. I'm going to Ivy Tech for a joint degree that works with my apprenticeship here.
I find that really interesting that a student can come into this environment and just be around it and get so excited about controls and automation and robotics.
I chose robotics because it was just like the new innovative technology coming into the world. I don't think I would want to do anything else other than do a controls engineer position, because every day is something new. You're not going in there and running the same job every day.
I really like to be able to attach my name to some of these cool projects we're doing, because it's nice to walk into a place and see something that we've done and be like, I build those on a daily basis.
My favorite thing to work with FANUC is the interface. Like, it's very interactive. Anybody can pick up controller within like a day or two, and they'll be able to start moving the robot, jogging the robot, and then teaching points and teaching PRs, because it's very easy to use.
The robots are running, being built, moving around on our floor. They're seeing it out of the corner of their eyes. They're understanding what manufacturing is. And it doesn't have to be the robots, it can be the CNCs as well. Watching a mill run, listening to an end mill hit steel and how the chips hit the glass. That's all part of manufacturing and understanding it. FANUC supports us in all of the integration, in all of the training, and just to make sure that we're top of the line of everything that we do.